Hello, I'm Marcus Baldini with Chief by Rotary Solutions. Today we're going to show you the Meridian live mapping system with our wireless Galileo scanner. The benefit of this system, it can be utilized without the frame rack for your original mapping. You'll see here we have our 2-post lift with our targets pre-hung. With our 8 targets hung, we can have our pre-measurements. The benefit of this system, you can send that in a PDF to whomever you'd like. Maybe it's a customer service rep or CSR, or possibly the estimator at the shop. You can store that information in the system as well. That way, if a pull is required, we can bring the vehicle back in, anchor it properly on the frame rack, then we can set up for our proper pull. Another benefit of the live mapping is you can see everything during the pulling process. So we have the pre-measure stored, we're recording the live mapping. As the pull is taking place, we can see if something adjacent to the pull is moving in the wrong direction. We know right then to stop, and we can analyze what's going on before we get into a situation. Once we have everything where we want it, we can print out that final document. It will have the pre, the during, as well as the final measurements. So again, we can send that in a PDF to the estimator, customer service rep, or whoever we select. Again, this is the Meridian by Chief by Rotary Solutions. You're more than welcome to go to rotarysolutions.com for additional information.